Do you know many people are having trouble with maintaining a clean and efficient washer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Wipe exterior clean. Start off by wiping down the exterior of the washing machine, ensuring any spills are cleaned off with a soft cloth. Step 2. Thoroughly clean interior. Occasionally, give the washer's interior a thorough cleaning to get rid of dirt, odor, mold, or bacterial residue. Step 3. Remove hard deposits. For stubborn hard water deposits, use a washer's safe cleaning agent. Step 4. Clean control panel. Take a soft, damp cloth and easily clean the control panel. Refrain from using abrasive cleaning substances or pads. Step 5. Sanitize compartments. Clean the compartments for detergent, bleach, or softener with a mildly damp cloth and dry them off. Step 6. Run tub clean. About once a month, run a tub clean cycle. Add 1 cup of chlorine bleach to the dispenser and proceed with the specified steps. Now, with these easy steps, you should be able to keep your Insignia NS-TWM41WH8A washing machine filter clean for optimal performance. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Insignia users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.